Don't be afraid of the kingdom from the black evil. They wanna control the seas and kill the king. Don't be afraid, we have a lot of guards and they will protect here. Hang, Princess Marlin. You will soon lose someone you love. Ha ha. I told you that. They didn't want to leave us alone. Dad, today one of the black evil came to me and told me you will lose someone you love soon.
Don't be afraid. I have warned the guards to be very careful.
Now they are tightly guarded and we can't reach the king. What is the plan? There is no solution but reach with eyes. Look, Witch, we want to get to the king, but he is heavily guarded. But we couldn't find better than you to help us. And because we know that you also hate and you will benefit. You have come to the right place.
I will give you a substance, and you will pour it on the king, and he will go into a deep sleep.
But how do we get into the tight security? Wait until I finish!
I will give you a magical drink.
Makes you hidden for a minute.
You have to hurry before you appears.
Good luck. Well, give me the bottles. You stand here. And you here. Finally, you're here. Please, guys, be careful. Drink the bottle, and I'm going to hide here.
This is the bottle that you will pour on the king.
Now, I don't see you. If you see me, take the bottle from me.
Okay, I will go.
I will hide in here. Mission accomplished. Well, let's run away from here quickly.
Princess Marlin! Princess Marlin! The king fainted!
Oh my god! Call the wise again quickly!
What happened to the king? This is magic. The king will not wake up except with a flower. And this flower is not in the sea. It is on land. But you must solve the mystery. And I will give you a map to help you.
But how will I be able to breathe outside the water?
I will give you a magic drink that makes mermaid have legs.
I'm the one who does the profession and will save my father.
Wait there for a note. While you are on the ground, you will not be able to speak. You only have 3 days. If you can't get the flower and bring it, the king will die and you will remain with legs and mute throughout your life. It doesn't matter. What is important to save my father.
Mom, I wanna go to the beach.
Yeah, Mom. It's very hot today. Open the door.
Dad, I wanna go to the beach.
Wait for your dad to relax. Okay, we will go to the beach on Thursday.
I'm gonna need swimwear because my swimsuit got smaller.
Me too, Mom. I wanna use swimwear. Me too, Mom. Let each of you choose what you want. What do you think, Mom, about this? It's very beautiful.
I like this.
Oh, it's very good. I will choose this. What do you think? Very beautiful. Let's go to the beach. Mom, I wanted to buy ice cream. Okay. 1 vanilla, please. I want another one with the chocolate. Thank you. Here your ice cream. Let's go down to the water. Oh my God, Dad, there is a girl drowning. Oh my God, let's save her. Who is she? This is the girl we found drowning. What's your name? Where is your family? Why don't you answer me? Can you write? I brought a pen and paper with me. She says she wants to go to a certain place and has a map. Can you give me a map? Oh, I know this place. We can connect you. She says thank you. Finally, we arrived. She says thank you. You're welcome. Bye. 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 Now the wise man again told me the mystery must be solved. But how? How to solve the puzzle? I have to hurry up to save my father. I know. Where is the flower? Who is here? Don't be afraid. I am here. Can you help me? Sure. What are you looking for? I'm looking for a flower. a magic flower.
Okay, I will help you. Oh, crow! Frog! Come!
Oh, thank you. I have to hurry up. I finally arrived. Oh my god! No! I have to hurry up to save my father. I must hurry! I must hurry! What happened? Black Evil threw the magic on you, Dad.
Let's train the two of us to see what happened. Let's go. Oh my god, how? The king should be dead now. Oh my god, the time is over. We must hurry up. Oh my god, we will show. We must hurry up. We must hurry up. Finally, you have a bird. Guards, take them to prison.
وكده يكون فيديو النهارده خلص. لو عجبكم متنسوش تعملوا لايك وشير وسبسكرايب للقناه، وانتظروا كمان فيديوهات كتير قوي جايه.